Hello friends, welcome to Raj Malhotra's IAS Academy. So friends, recently India has signed a free trade agreement with European Free Trade Association. This association consists of 4 European countries: Iceland, Norway, Switzerland, Liechtenstein. Now all these 4 countries has signed an agreement with India, and this is a free trade. Now what is the meaning of free trade agreement? The meaning of this agreement is whatever exports are there from India towards these 4 countries, there would be no import duty on these exports, and whatever imports are there in India from these 4 countries, India is not going to charge any import duty on these products. Now along with this FTA, another benefit of this agreement is these 4 countries has signed this agreement and they have agreed to invest $100 billion in the next coming years in India. So when these $100 billion are going to come to India in the form of FDI. Now what is FDI? FDI is a long-term investment. So when this money is going to come to India, this is going to help us to boost our economy. Now along with this $100 billion, another 1 million jobs would be created in India, which is going to benefit the rising youngster population in India. Now इसका सबसे बड़ा जो बेनिफिट देखने को मिल सकता है वो ये that these European countries like Switzerland, these countries are, we can say, they have expertise in R&D. Like Switzerland, it is a, we can say, country which is having a good pharmaceutical industry. So new R&D, new technology would come to India, and with the help of new technology, our growth or the economical growth can be, we can say, we can increase the speed of our economical growth. Now along with this FDI benefit, another benefits are, first and the most important benefit would be that right now India is also negotiating the free trade agreement with the whole European Union as well. Now right now we have not concluded this free trade agreement with the European Union, but this conclusion or this particular agreement can become a base to negotiate or to finalize the negotiation with the European Union as well. Second, the most important area of concern in this particular agreement was data exclusivity clause. But when this agreement has been concluded by the Indian side, now this data exclusivity clause जो है इसके ऊपर जो है इसको अबंडन कर दिया गया है. नाउ देयर इज नो नथिंग लाइक डाटा एक्सक्लूसिविटी. नाउ है क्या ये डाटा एक्सक्लूसिविटी? डाटा एक्सक्लूसिविटी इज अ टर्म विच इज समथिंग रिलेटेड विद द आईपीआर रिजीम. नाउ अगर आईपीआर रिजीम की बात की जाए, लाइक व्हाट आई सेड दैट स्विट्जरलैंड है या ये यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ हैं, इनके पास बहुत अच्छी खासी R&D इंडस्ट्री है, तो इनके पास आईपीआर इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स जो हैं उन कंपनीज़ के पास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आईपीआरस हैं. नाउ डाटा एक्सक्लूसिविटी एक ऐसी टर्म है जिसमें क्या है कि वट एवर राइट्स दे हैव, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्क्लोज देयर इंफॉर्मेशन, और अंडर डाटा एक्सक्लूसिविटी पैक्ट अगर ये कंपनीज कल को इंडिया में आती हैं, so their information cannot be shared by the Indian authorities with the local industries. और जनरली होना भी नहीं चाहिए, बट इंडिया में जो पेटेंट रजीम है उसमें है क्या कि whatever IPR is there, whatever patent is there with the company for next 20 years, there would be no copy for that particular product. But after 20 years, if you are not adding any value into that product, then that product will be open for anyone, any company, and any company can start manufacturing or copying your that particular product. And our pharmaceutical industries or our pharmaceutical companies, they are using this particular thing that after 20 years the patent is free, then they are going to manufacture the generic drug, and it is decreasing our cost of health in India. Now another benefit of this particular agreement would be towards the agriculture and the textile industry, because these are the industries which are exporting maximum quantity to these 4 different European countries. Now along with this particular FTA, जो सबसे बड़ा आपको फ्यूचर में बेनिफिट देखने को मिल सकता है वो ये कि नई कंपनीज, नॉट ओनली इन द फार्मास्यूटिकल बिजनेस ओनली, क्योंकि ये जो कंट्रीज़ हैं केमिकल में इनका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड है, टेक्नोलॉजी में स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड है. देन उसके बाद अगर बात की जाए कोई और एरिया जो आने वाले टाइम पे हम AI की बात करते हैं एंड ऑल, तो ये कंट्रीज़ जो हैं दे कैन हेल्प इंडियन इकोनॉमी टू ग्रो इन दीज एरियाज एज वेल. तो ये पूरा का पूरा एक, अगर हम बात करें कि ये ब्रीफ है अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्रीमेंट. एंड नाउ once इंडिया हैज़ कंक्लूडेड दिस एग्रीमेंट, तो अब ये रास्ते जो हैं पूरी यूरोपियन यूनियन के लिए और दूसरी कंट्रीज़ के लिए, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ के लिए स्पेसिफिकली, ये ओपन हो गए। एंड नाउ दीज कंट्रीज़ आर विलिंग टू साइन मोर पैक्ट्स विद इंडियन गवर्नमेंट so that they can reap the benefit or they can participate in the growth story of India. Thank you.